The CMS is where you manage your catalog of products and the structure of your site. In order to access the Catalog Manager, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and select Catalog Manager. The catalog is organized into departments, with drop-downs that open up as shown. See our video on how to create a department for more information. To move a product from one department to another, select the icon on the left-hand side of the product and drag it to the department you'd like it to sit within. You will then be navigated to that department and can view the product. When moving a product to a new department, you will need to regenerate the URL by selecting Edit and then selecting Create URL. You may also want to consider setting up a 301 redirect. This can be managed in the admin site. Contact the support team for more information. To search for products and departments in the catalog, use the search bar on the right-hand side of the page. You can search by name or stock code. Use the drop-down on the right. You can also use the advanced search to search for SKUs and orphaned products. Right-click the product and select Show Me to find where the product is in the catalog. You can also drag and drop products from the search tool into departments. You can search for departments using the search tool, and drag and drop any orphan departments into the catalog if required. You can move orphan departments back into the catalog by dragging them across into the relevant department. If you no longer require a department or product, there are a few ways you can take it out of the catalog. You can remove the product, which means it will sit in the back end of the site. We call this an orphan. As demonstrated earlier, you can search for orphans and re-add them into the catalog at a later date if required. You can delete a product or department by right-clicking on the item and selecting Delete. This will delete all records of the item and is not recoverable. Alternatively, you can keep the product in the catalog, but remove it from view on the site by selecting Edit. Then, in the Overview tab, unselect the box Display on Website and Display on App if required. Then select Save. To have a department or product show in more than one place on the site, for example, if you have products you'd like to add to a clearance department, find the product that you'd like to add to the new location, then right-click. Select Create Reference, and then find the department that you'd like to add the product or department to from the drop-down. You'll then see a reference for the product has populated in the clearance department.